The Ilia Promo Festival is an occasion of joy and celebration, and what better way to embrace the festivities than by indulging in the perfect pair of shoes or slippers?
So I use ChatGPT to get my prompt. That is, I use ChatGPT in order to write out what I want the image to be talking about. Well, I actually do it for a friend, and then it is a jingle. So I use ChatGPT to actually use to create a short jingle for a particular festival time period, and then he is into this kind of business. And then if you are a business person too, you can actually use your image to get this. So I'm actually tracking how to actually um ask this question so that ChatGPT will be able to give me what I'm actually envisaging. Well, you should not be new to ChatGPT, but if you are new to ChatGPT, there is a pinned comment under this video that is going to explain how you can use ChatGPT. And also, if you want to know how to use ChatGPT on your phone or smartphone, you can request for it at the comment section below, and then I'm going to quickly do the video without wasting any time. Okay, so ChatGPT is now getting the text that I actually want to use for me. But one thing about ChatGPT is that you still have to do some editing in order to make it okay. So that's why I said make it easy essay. So I have an essay video here, and then I will be able to actually do something more. So by the time you are done, you just copy the video, copy the text rather. So after you have copied the text, you are going to head on to this browser. It is called did. I'm going to write the name of the website on the screen. But if you want me to make a full video on that did.ai, you can actually comment in the comment section below. So that is it, www.did.com. You should this actually be able to change text into image to video. So I signed up for free because it is a free account. So you could see some of my projects. So you are going to click on create video, and you click on add, and that is where you are going to input the video you really want, the text you want to make, the picture you actually want to make, to be talking rather. So here it is. This is the video, the image rather. So I'm going to paste it there, and then I'm going to change the name. I'm going to change the voice to a man's voice. And then once I'm done, I'm going to click on generate video. If you want me to make an extensive tutorial on this, you can request on the comment section below. Just click on generate video, and then it will begin to generate the video. And once it's generated, you will see it, and then you can actually download it and begin to use it for your project. Well, next video is going to show you how you can get it using some video editing. So here it is, the final
Promo Festival is an occasion of joy
video.
and celebration, and what better way to
Can you see
embrace
the
the
final
festivities
video?
than by indulging in the perfect pair of shoes or slippers? This essay explores the spirit of the Ilia Promo Festival and highlights the offerings of a company that specializes in selling footwear. From stylish shoes to cozy slippers, this company provides a diverse range of options to ensure that customers can step into comfort and fashion during this joyous occasion. So what are you waiting for?
So I'm going to see you in the next video.